Max has a secret. He's a fashion icon. His closet is full of hoodies for every occasion. Today, he's modeling some of his favorites. Get ready for the most stylish bird on the internet. Max is starting off with his casual chic look. Perfect for a stroll through the park or a casual play date.
Yeah, Max.
Nothing says class like this designer-inspired look. Max is ready for a high-end brunch or a fancy parrot party. In classic BirdBury. This bold red number makes Max stand out in a crowd. Whether he's visiting the forest or meeting new friends, he's always dressed to impress.
Are you excited, Max? Is that awesome, Max?
This fiery orange number is all about energy. It's the perfect outfit for an adventurous date on the playground or just showing off in the sun.
That's right.
Max takes sophistication to the next level. This Black Tartan look is bold, classic, and absolutely sharp against the snow. Perfect for winter walks or a dramatic photo shoot. Teal is timeless. Max shines in this cool and calm shade, ready to take on the world in style.
Awesome. Yes, Max. See, he's being such a good boy.
Max shows off his edgy side with this playful look. Perfect for rocking out with his parrot friends or dressing for his favorite holiday, Halloween.
What's up? Oh, it's awesome. I know. Oh, boy. Do you see people, Max? What's up?
Which look was your favorite? Comment below and let us know which hoodie Max should wear next.